everyone, this is Karen Avilia and welcome back again sa ating YouTube channel. So for today's video ay dadalhin ko kayo dito sa Science High National High School here in Talisay City, Cebu. And this video is from November until February, or should I say from the start until the end of our training there. So please enjoy at watching everyone. I hope that I can inspire you, especially for those students who are coming fourth year. So after the morning routine, so babalik na kami sa kung saan talaga kami nakagawa, and we are going to prepare for the class.
Okay, mag-check it. Wait. Yes, copy and answer. Kaya ra 5 minutes? 5 minutes. 5 minutes. By 9:30, napamunti activity needs. Kay mga butan. Asam sa nag-refer kami na equation at kanya automatic ang constant is 0. Wala natin mga pangutana nila. Any clarifications? Wala? Sure na jud mo? Okay, let us now proceed to analyzation. So, manawag ko daw, wala ka po yung volunteer ani kay matawag ako.
So nakarating na tayo, and let's have our logbook. So yeah. Today it's Monday. Just see. 12, 16, 20. Okay, then. Ow! Need series. Oh. Diba? Bye-bye, guys! So,
Nice kita yung buhok ko, dikot lang Karen.
yeah.
Karen.
Karen.
Nice yung buhok ko, dikot lang.
Karen Briones.
Walang Briones.
Abot lagi ka, day.
Ala ka doon.
Or sorry.
Science High School. So, we're done. Bye! You are so very pretty. Oni-chan is here. Kasi nga. Kasi order ron. Ay, Jabili. Di ko mag-Jabili. Because I don't have money to buy Jabili. So, this is the time na magpa-prepare ako sa aking mga lessons for my class. So, yung aking class is two rooms. So, each room, it has 2 sections. So, a total of 4 sections. Pero yung students ng isang room is a total of 35 students lang siya. Napaka-convenient kasi hindi sila magulo and they're so very respectful and that's it. So ito yung mga time na yung class ko pala is Tuesday and Thursday, so straight 4 hours yun sa morning until sa Thursday naman morning din straight 4 hours. So afternoon din, tapos the other days is wala na akong pasok. I mean, papasok pa naman din ako sa school pero hindi na ako papasok sa mga classrooms kasi ibang teachers naman yung papasok. So, ganun yung napaka-convenient ng time ko sa National High School. I mean, should I say the Science High School kasi hindi ka bombarded sa work mo. At meron kang time na makagawa ng yung mga lesson plans, kung ano yung mga activities or di kaya yung mga preliminary activities na kailangan mong gawin. Yun ang napakaganda. So, aking experience doon sa Science High School. And now, pagkadating ko dito sa aming, kung saan kami nagtatambay dito sa guidance at saka doon sa clinic room is gandang araw. Hi! Ganda ng araw. Talagang sumikat siya, as in, lumabas siya, nagpakita siya sa akin. Ganda. Sana hindi ako tatamarin. Gumising ng maaga para makapag-jogging kami dito during weekdays. Diba? And now, punta na tayo. Araw. Okay. Ito yung day na meron akong classes. So, nag-prepare ako, then nag-implement and nag-review ako ng mga classes ko. With my first class, 2 hours. Pero naluya sila sa graph. Naluya sila, mas naluya ako kay... I'm trying my best. I hope my best is enough. Kasi nga, di ba? Ang hirap kasi. Actually, will find a way. Actually, I hate graph also, pero I don't have choice because I am a aspiring teachers. So, I will try to... So, ito pala yung isa sa mga activities and classes ko. So, ito yung last class ko of the day. And then, yung activities na aking ginagawa dyan is matching the polynomial functions into the graph. So, aming topic dito is the graph of polynomial functions. So, what did I do is I printed out the graphs and the polynomial functions, and the students were going to match the polynomial functions into the graph. So, I grouped them into 2, and then I gave the polynomial functions into each groups, and then they're going to match the polynomial functions into the graph on the board. And after that, they are going to pick one representative para i-explain yung kanilang work kung bakit sila match. Pag hindi naman sila nag-match, Okay, so ako yung i-explain kung anong nangyari, bakit hindi sila match yung graph at saka yung polynomial functions. So this is one of the reason why I can say that my class is interactive kasi sa lahat talaga sila is nagpa-participate kasi pag hindi sila nagpa-participate so wala silang score or points of the day. So yan yung nangyayari. Down with my second class. The last class for today's video. So yeah. Ganda yung so far so good naman yung second class ko. Sakit ang aking pa. See it. So far so good yung aking second. Medyo tricky talaga yung graphing and if you cannot explain it well, malilibog talaga yung mga person. Ang sakit ng aking kuko. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, parang hindi na ako makababa. Wait. And thank you so much for moving over for today. I survived and I am so happy for that. Thank you. Good morning. Nandito na tayo. So, ngayon yung ating gagawin is maglalagping na tayo. And I can say na yesterday, dapat naging cautious na tayo. Yun yung nagwa-wonder lang. Gusto ko sanang tama ba na awan, diba ko magtanong. Hindi nun siguro masakong magtanong. Like, I just wanna ask. Bang ibang pumasok, ganun. Where are you? Saan sila? Natulog siya. Nandito na sa Tibanisan pero hindi ko siya. Ba't para siyang bawang taing parang bawang taing nakatunog yung taing na yabag. Where? What's yung taing? Wala man. So this is the performance task that I gave them. So ito yung performance task ng graphings of polynomial functions. So ano yung gagawin ng mga students dito is they're going to explore all the polynomial functions. So, sila yung mismo yung mag-create ng kanilang own polynomial functions and then just making sure na ma-form siya ng shape and just make sure nga wala talagang magkakapareho. Ayun yung aking ginagawa. So, they're going to make their own polynomial functions. Then, after that, iti-check ko yan sa Dismos kung talagang matchy ba talaga yung shape na na-create nila doon. Kasi, pag tinatype mo yung mga polynomial functions doon sa Dismos, doon mo makikita yung mga shapes. Kikita mo talaga yung form ng kanilang polynomial functions. And then, how did I judge their work? So, meron akong rubrics na binibigay sa kanila. Una is yung mga polynomial functions dapat match, clarity, tapos neatness, and ano pa ba, dapat hindi sila magkakapareho. So, while they're working their performance task, so nag-check-in ako ng mga activities, test papers, and nag-record din ako at the same time para maibigay ko sa aking mentor yung kanilang scores kasi it's already I'm done with my first class. So, nag-early dismissal ako ngayon kasi para namang hindi kasi nagpa-performance task ako ngayon and so far so good. Ginawa naman nila and they're super creative. Hindi lang ako nakapag-take ng photo kasi nga bawal. So, maybe in my next class, I will try mag-ask ng permission kung pwede ko ba sila mag-take ng photo while gumagawa silang kanilang performance task. Kasi wala naman akong gagawin late. Hi ma'am, good morning.
Yay! Mana siya! Successful, Mike. Successful. We're done. Achievement tayo ngayon kasi yung ating second class ay naka-take picture tayo para sa book. Meron na tayong ilagay sa book. And hopefully, naluya man ko eh. Makaluya man siya, makaluya.
So, after kong mag-check, actually, hindi lahat na ay na-check ko sa aming boarding house kasi nga meron din naman akong mga dapat tapusin, dapat gawin dito sa bahay. So, kino-continue ko siya sa school, and also yung mga students na late na nag-pass. Actually, they're na supposedly late na mag-pass since they're representative of RSPC. Yung kanilang, meron kasi silang mga events outside the school, so kaya late na sila mag-pass. And that is the main reason why kung bakit isa sa pinakamahirap din na task na gagawin ng mga teachers. So, yan. Then, after that is meron din akong mga partial review. So, yung review namin is i-check namin yun after a while pagkatapos nilang mag-answer kasi the math is more on solving, analyzation, and also, ayan. So, pagkatapos kong magbigay ng performance task, mag-checking, and mag-review sa kanila is, at sa makikita nyo sa video dito is, dito na yung time na gumagawa na ako ng test for them. So, for their third periodical test. Tapos, kung gawa dyan is, ipapacheck ko yan kay ma'am sa aking mentor for validation kung validate ba siya, kung valid ba talaga yung aking ginawa, align ba siya sa mga aking pinagdi-discuss, ganon yung process. And after that, pag na-validate na niya, tapos for finalization na kung ano yung mga corrections. So, biro na ginagawa. Tapos, printouts na. And good thing lang doon sa Science National High School is yung mentor ko is nag-offer siya na yung mag-print. So, bali, nag-assist na lang talaga ako. Ganon yun. So, I am just so thankful sa aking nagiging mentor kasi ang nila sa akin. Yung hindi sila harsh, ganon. I am just so thankful for that. And I am just so thankful sa experience ko dito sa Science National High School. Even though, at first na, kabado ako kasi nga, science side, diba? Alam nyo ba yung intelligent na mga science side, kung hindi pa kaya? Alam nyo ba yung think na yun? So, overthinker tayo, kaya ganon yung aking iniisip. So, and come to an end, grabe yung ko, ang layo ng expectation ko sa kasi nag-overthink lang talaga ako. Akala ko ganito, hindi pala. So, yeah. Ano yung mga nangyayari sa atin. So, after ng mga lahat-lahat is, it's time for the finalization sa mga scores, kung ano yung dapat na wala pang na-submit yung students. So, inaano ko sila na kulang ka ng activity 1, 2, na ganon. Kailangan mo silang i-inform kung ano yung kulang sa kanila, kung ano yung scores na wala sila, para aware din sila, para hindi sila ma-surprise if ever man bumaba yung kanilang scores.
Two
Ganon.
classes for today, then 4 hours, 10 and complete. And now let's try to go to the faculty and look for my mentor. Kasi ang dami kasing wala. Anong gagawin ko sa kanila? Diba? Let's see. Actually, the time is 11 18 pa siya. Perfect. Already done. Lang, babalik ako doon. Sana nandun si Mama. My two rooms and four sections. So, tomorrow is gonna be the last day na mamimit namin sila. Oh my God. Thank you. So, natapos. So, ngayon, yung ginawa namin is sumatip-test lang kami tapos checking. And then, nag-set ng reminder sa mayroong mga kulang. And then, afternoon is mag-record ako. And then, yeah, tomorrow it's a big day for them. It's gonna be a good day. So, yun lang. Buyers, everybody. Tayo ng taho. Backdoor ulit tayo. Apay ko. Umulan para. Hindi ko alam na umulan. Oh my gosh. Kain tayo. Sarap. Mm-hmm. Kain tayo. Dumating na tayo. As usual. Tayo ulit yung ulan. Wow. Turn on electric so that you can breathe easily. And today it's gonna be good. So this is our full out. Yes. And iba na yung ating dalang bag for today. Kasi yung bag na isa is ginamit siya ng may-ari. Yeah. And day after namin ng class, kasi meron pala kami, pupunta kami ng Gaysan. So, yeah. Yun lang. And then, mag-ano lang ako dito. Mag-aantay ako sa mga taong, sa mga co-teachers ko. Yun lang. Bye! Pangit ang light. Yung mukha kang press.
Ako na siya.
Mars
Ay. Ano to? Wala ko sa po. Ako, inawas.
We are here at Science, Palisa City Science High School, Chemical Lab. So, yo, the place is so nice.
Bye, ma'am! One, two, three, smile! Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. One, two, three, go! Thank you!
And ipa-flash ko na lang dito yung aming other picture namin sa other section. I am just so thankful for the experience and also the respect, the discipline, and also for all the participations in my discussion. Thank you so much, my dear students. So, ganito nag-i-end yung aming what they call this one, yung aming pag-duty dito sa Science School. Kumain kami and after nung pagka-uwian na is meron kaming recognition para sa certificates na to certify na you are completed hours, na you're completed hours duty here in Science High School. So this is me, Karen Abelia. 320, 340, 360 completed hours. I am so thankful. So I am just so thankful also for my co-student teachers kasi they are so very nice. And ipa-flash ko na lang dito yung aming other picture namin sa other section. I am just so thankful for the experience and also the respect, the discipline, and also for all the participations in my discussion. Thank you so much, my dear students. So, ganito nag-end yung aming what they call this one, yung aming pa-duty dito sa Science and School. Kumain kami and after nung pagka-uwian na is meron kaming recognition para sa certificates na